In this video, I'm going to show you how you can paste without formatting in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is our default table. We have this default table inside this Apple numbers document, and I'm going to copy this data. So this is another table, for example. So I'm going to copy the entire table. So what we can do, we can select it and right click, and we can choose copy. Now I'm going to switch our Apple numbers, and I'm going to paste it over here by right click, and if we try to paste it, you will see that the format is coming. So this is the formatted data, like there is some red color text and yellow highlighter, and this is bold like this, but it is keeping the format, but my goal is not to keep the format. So how we can do this thing? So I'm going to remove this data first, and now I'm going to paste it. So once you copy this data, so what you need to do, you just need to click here where you want to paste, and then from the edit menu, just click here, a menu will be appeared. We have to choose this option, paste and match style, or we can use this shortcut key together. So I'm going to click here, and I will see that the data will be copied exactly by matching this data, and it is not keeping any format. So this is the paste without formatting in Apple number. Now I see there is a row I don't need, so I'm going to select it and right click and delete row, and that's it. In this way we can easily paste without formatting in Apple numbers.